Taylor of Taylor-Made Granite Furnishings. Today I'm going to be using a variety of blades to cut my logo, GWT. I'll be starting with the finer blades and just kind of go over how I use them. And there's several blades that I haven't tried, but you've got segmented, non-segmented, turbo blades, huge crack chaser, and then a blade for removing grout in between bricks. I'm going to start cutting and we'll go from there. And I'll be using the GWS grinder 125sc along with the 090s HEPA vac, and I've got an assistant that's going to use the wand to collect the dust as I cut. Alright, right now I'm going to start using the DB 4568 4.5 inch, and it ought to be real interesting. It's a thin blade, thin rim, and it has diamonds all the way down the side of the blades, which should really help in cutting this out in this fairly rough concrete, which I used a cup wheel to dress it up some. Cutting just an outline of this. I still got other work to do on this, and I'm gonna clean it up and stain it a little bit, and then come back and cut it with some of these other blades. I'd like to say this DB 4568 is incredible. The core battery, just a little bit of cutting. There's so little drag with this DB 4568. It's a thin rim, and it really allows a long run time. I don't know if you can see this, but it has 5 bars left, and I'll go with more aggressive bits next time to dress it up a little bit. But the GWS angle grinder is a great angle grinder, incredible power, and it handles the core battery so well in extending its life with its brushless design, and it's light years ahead of the CAG 180. But that's where we're at, and I'm gonna start cleaning it up.